Hey guys, welcome to the video, and in this video we're gonna be creating a spam bot that spams. This can be used for any app, Discord, Instagram, WhatsApp, or any such app, even for Snapchat if you have it installed on BlueStacks, but yes. So first we'll be creating a new file. We're gonna name it spammer.py because spammer is what it does, it spams, and .py is the Python extension. Now we're gonna import py.gui, and if you don't have already installed it, just press Windows plus R CMD and then type in pip install py.gui and press enter. For me it says the requirement already satisfied because I already have it installed, but for you it might download and install some things. Once done that, we're gonna insert a semicolon and then import time. Once we import time, we're gonna search for something to spam. The first thing that came to my mind was a movie script because it contains a lot of words, it has a lot of lines, and it's easy to spam. And the first three results are coincidentally all of the B movie, maybe because that's the funniest movie ever made, right? Now that we've copied the code from B movie, we're gonna go to our Visual Studio Code and then create a new file. We're gonna name it B movie, but you can name it whatever corresponds with your material that you're gonna spam. And once done that, we're gonna save it. We're gonna go back to spammer.py, and there we're gonna create a variable in which we'll be storing this file. We're gonna name the variable script. Script is equal to open and then the name of the file and then read only. Once done that, we're gonna create a loop. The loop will be to extract each sentence, each line from the collection of lines that is the script. We're gonna type in for line and script and then put our code. The first thing that we want to do is enter the text in the text box. For that we'll be using py.gui.write and then in brackets what we want to send in, that is line that we had just initialized that are sentences from the script. Now we're gonna use py.gui.press to press enter to send the text. Now we're gonna insert a time gap of at least a second because that's how much time it takes for Discord to realize that we are not a bot. Though we are, but starting a second stops the errors. And we're gonna insert a time gap of 5-6 seconds before the loop as well, because it will take us 5-6 seconds to go to the app and then into the text box and press your left mouse button in the text box to start sending the text. Once done that, we're just gonna run the command, run the program, and see what happens. And voila, it's working. Thanks for watching the video guys, and if you liked it, like, comment, share, subscribe, and it'll really mean a lot if you subscribe. The audio quality and the quality of the video in general will keep getting better as I progress through making videos. Thanks a ton, good night.